relaxing music.
Introducing the Shockwave Ultra 9.2 channel home theater system, a fundamental disruption in home entertainment design, combining 8 speaker drivers that are built in the soundbar, 2 10-inch wireless subwoofers and 4 surround speakers. The Shockwave Ultra 9.2 theater system has unified the plug-and-play simplicity and acoustic requirements of a great sounding cinema, creating a hybrid solution that enables anyone to get the maximum cinema experience at home with a setup of approximately 30 minutes. Ever wonder how cinemas can be filled with deep, powerful bass so effortlessly? Cinemas use multiple subwoofers behind the big screen to envelop the audience with chest-pumping bass. Taking inspiration from this approach, we created the industry's first soundbar with 2 10-inch wireless subwoofers to deliver the same impact and wall-shaking bass to your living room, a configuration you will only find in high-end home theater setups. Cinemas are engineered to provide the most authentic experience by using many surround speakers, encompassing the audience with moving audio that flows all around them, and creating the true experience that the movie directors intended. With this in mind, we designed our flagship Shockwave Ultra 9.2 theater system with 4 surround speakers. They work together with the 2 ambient surround effect speakers at the front to form a full 360-degree cinema soundscape in the comfort of your living room, creating a surround experience that is so immersive that no other soundbars can replicate. The intelligence of our design doesn't end here. For rooms that cannot accommodate 4 separate speakers, our surround speakers can be seamlessly attached together to become a pair of dipole surround speakers. This modular setup will reverberate surround effects off walls to create the same 360-degree cinematic environment. Completing the experience is the compatibility with Dolby Vision and 4K HDR video formats, ensuring that you will see every cinematic detail in perfect clarity. With our proprietary spatial surround elevation processing technology and support for Dolby Atmos, the most advanced surround sound format available, you will be able to simultaneously experience up to 128 audio objects moving anywhere in the room, with lifelike objects around and above the entire audience, forming a 3-dimensional surround sound bubble, turning your room into an amazing place for entertainment.